I ordered something and it finally arrived. A few weeks later, it actually showed up. This is what showed up. This is a AULA, I believe that's how you pronounce it, AULA F2088 mechanical keyboard. And let me take a look and show it to you. Here is the manual. I like the artwork. It looks like the Goblin King, or even the Elf King. Anyway, here it is. Now, if you've seen it flicker, it doesn't look like that in with the human eye. I can't set my frames to synchronize with the, I can't set my camera to synchronize with the lighting. So please bear that in mind. But yeah, backlight lighting, and I'm sure you just want to hear the typing. I just love that effect. Oh, and this came free. It's magnetic armrest, though I don't like it for one thing. You see, it leaves fingerprints and oil, like the oils in your skin. If they could have made this, I don't know, matte black or even out of leather, it would have been slightly better. But hey, it's a free goodie, and it's just magnetic, so you can pull it. Yep. Okay, now there are these. Now there's I was just reading the where is it? Right here. Sorry, camera. Anyway, this is different game functions. So if some of your games require most of these keys that's lit up, and then there is mode 2, then mode 3. I think this is the standard, I know the newer games require, I believe there's crouch, I think is on this, or this. I got all the games that the crouch is this button. But yeah, and let me just show you. This is just a knob, but I'll show you what it is. It is customizable. I must just get the software. I'm still downloading it. This is the breathing effect. Okay, now let me show you what the knob does. That's off. It's one level bright. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, no. This camera doesn't pick it up. It's basically if you want to go dim or brightest. I must actually figure out how to show you guys if I can. If I can't, sorry about that. Let's take a look. There is apparently over 20, what does it say here? 22 lighting effects. I like this one. I don't know if you can see this one. It's like very small waves, very small. Now, I don't know if you can see this as well. It's basically waves going this way, and this way, like both. This is going this way, and in here it's just going together. Okay, let's take a look. I'm sure you can see that. Now I believe if I tap, yep. Okay. Oh, this is the different rows. No, this is nice. Oh, not bad. Now, okay, these are different sections. Not bad at all. It is unique. Oh. Hello. Oh, so it stops. Or is it random where it stops? I should actually just stop pressing. Okay, no, it's just it's not random, it just stops right there. Like this goes in a circle. Sorry for the camera angle, guys. My other camera is not feeling very well. This is something that I like to call chaos, and I do see, you can barely see it on the camera. It's, yeah, I'm sure you understand why I would call it chaos. Oh, so it's like wave and wave. I'm just testing the keys as well if I press it. This is actually something unique. Yeah, you can see it. It's like a wave, a literal wave in V formation. Okay. Oh, this doesn't dim. As you remember, some of the keys when I pressed, it dims. Well, all keys I press, it dims. So this is a different mode. Interesting. Okay, and these are, I'm still pressing this. These the settings basically, I believe, mode 1 for gaming. And I think that's about it, really. Let me just get it back to that other mode. Yeah, this is it. Okay, guys, I just want to mention one thing. I actually am not going to install the software because I actually got something that's working. I wanted this to work. Basically these keys for the music as well. So basically what I did, what I've done, I just kept this in for a few seconds. This is apparently the mute button. And now these work with, well, if I press it, I don't want to get banned. Basically, I don't need to put it in game mode or anything. If I do, I can just press this again. So that's it, really. I love these keycaps. It's like similar to my typewriter, but shinier. So it's like the same shape. Sorry, there we go. It's like a rounded square, and this is also similar, rounded square, just with a border frame, as you can see. But yeah, I am taking a look here on the document, and I mean, there's some fascinating things here. If you got one of these, or you want to get one, it isn't very expensive. It's not the cheapest mechanical keyboard, but it depends where you are. It can be mid-range for the price. But yeah. Oh, it also came with this. It's to lift the keys, well, pop the keys out. Very handy. I could have used this for that fake mechanical keyboard that I bought. Yeah, but I just took apart manually the keys on my other one. I believe it's an unknown brand, really, something called AULA. Yeah, I could have used this. Save me some time. But yeah, I just had to clean each key one by one, and oh my word. That's why I actually, at night, I got a face mask, you know, from COVID. This. So at night, if my computer's off, I just lay it on top. If you don't like the color, I mean, I got a black one, but I used the black one for my typewriter. But anyway, guys, I hope you appreciate this. Please like and subscribe. Bye.